this example, let's say I work on the legal team and need to update a company-wide policy in response to regulatory changes. I begin in PDF Spaces, the workspace inside Acrobat Studio designed with security in mind. This is where I bring together everything needed for the policy update process: external guidance, internal drafts, compliance checklists, and briefing transcripts into a single knowledge hub to stay organized. I can add just about any document format, up to 100 documents, so nothing critical gets left out when preparing for review. After uploading, PDF Spaces instantly gives me an overview of key insights and recommendations. No prompt needed. I cut through the noise and get straight to what matters. Next, I can go deeper by telling the AI assistant what to focus on. I can select a pre-built assistant or customize my own, naming it and defining its role. I create a legal assistant that reviews policy documents, flags regulatory updates, and suggests language for stakeholders. The assistant quickly surfaces changes, risks, and other valuable insights. Every point includes clickable citations, so I can validate the source and dive deeper into the original document when needed. With a clear view of the requirements, I ask the AI assistant to generate a draft summary of what policy updates are needed. I save this as a note, then spend my time where it matters most: refining language, validating compliance, and aligning with leadership. I can share the PDF space with colleagues so everyone has the same information and context. Now that the content for the policy overview is built, I can take it to the next level with a professional design. From the Acrobat Studio home, I jump right into Adobe Express, where I can choose from a template or start with the company's branded design. I bring in the text from my PDF space, then use Express's intuitive editing tools to add tables, highlights, or embedded visuals. And with access to a full library of Adobe stock images and fonts, it's easy to create a polished policy guide. After sharing the draft guide with colleagues for review in Acrobat, I can see feedback comments in one place with the right context. Based on that feedback, I can easily update visuals, either by generating a more relevant one with Firefly, which is trained on commercially safe data, or by selecting from the company's brand kit. That's the power of Acrobat Studio.